Yeah! Great! Congratulations! Good job, cats! Wow! Look! Amazing! Let's go home! Ready for some rainbow magic? I've got 6 bright chocolate bars. Let's turn them into the prettiest buttercream. I'm shaving all 6 rainbow chocolate bars into tiny bits and scooping them into 6 little bowls. Now let's melt the butter and chocolate together. We're almost there! Let's add the sugar and whip it all up until it's light and fluffy. All right, let's whip up the base of our cake. Huh? Who is that?
Hello, Mia. Come with me. I have a surprise for you.
Hi, Joy. Nice to meet you.
Hey, over here.
Wow, so many candy.
These are your gifts, Mia.
Meanwhile,
Wow, thank you so much. Now let's put the cake in the oven and let it bake. I have 3 soft and fluffy cake layers. I'm going to use white buttercream as the filling for the cake. I pipe rainbow buttercream all around the cake. It looks absolutely beautiful. Here comes our second tier. I'm placing the frosted cake right on top. The bottom tier gets a crunchy Kit Kat coat. Now let's cover the top with gooey chocolate. And swirl on some rainbow buttercream. And right in the middle, our tiny heart topper. Finally, I'm placing M&M candies around the base of the cake. And adding the Kit Kat logo. Tasty! Yummy!